half load deep rinse. Don't forget to subscribe. This is the extra rinse. Uses a ton of water on this wash. Some quick.